This is a final video to fix DJI Pocket video files not playing correctly in Premiere Pro. Are you tired of importing your clips only to see them glitch or freeze? This usually happens because Premiere Pro struggles with the file format or frame rate that DJI Pocket records in. Many tutorials online show long, confusing steps that are hard to follow and waste your time. But today, on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that makes your videos play perfectly in Premiere Pro without any hassle. All you need is a quick conversion step that keeps your quality intact and avoids all the complicated settings. If you want to make a full step-by-step guide showing exactly how to do it, drop a comment below and I'll cover it for you.